Hey guys, and thank you for watching this video. You know, this is supposed to be allegretto, so this really could be faster, but every time I record a fast video, etude, I usually get comments with complaints that it's too fast. So I deliberately slowed it down to 65 clicks so you guys can kind of follow along with the music and hopefully make sense. Now remember that the goal of these videos is not to play along with me. You shouldn't be doing that. There's really very little value in doing that. But instead, to serve as a guide, to kind of point you in the right direction and show you what this is supposed to sound like. But that doesn't mean you need to copy exactly what I'm doing. Try to find your own way and engineer your own solutions through every exercise. I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very, very much.